Hey there, and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be doing a maintenance wash on my 2020 Chevy Blazer and my 2007 Chevy Avalanche. I might add in my son's 2013 Toyota Camry as well. I don't know, we'll see. Just depends on how nice I'm feeling. I thought I'd just quickly go over the products that I'm using on the exterior today. You're going to see a lot of Chemical Guy stuff in, and it's because I just recently purchased a bucket, a car wash kit on clearance at Walmart for 15 bucks, so you can't beat that. So I've been trying out this Diablo wheel cleaner. Typically with my wheels and tires, I like to use the used to be Wesley's, now it's Black Magic Bleach White. This is the absolute best stuff in the world for tires, but you have to be careful. You do not want to get this all over your wheels because it is very strong. It can damage the finish on your wheels, so you just want to make sure to get it on the tire, scrub really good, and rinse off. And then typically in my wash bucket for my tires, I'll just use whatever brand of cheap car wash. So this happens to be O'Reilly's brand, but I also like the Blue Coral. I actually really like the Target Up and Up brand of blue car wash. It's good, it smells pleasant, works really well. I just put some of that in my bucket and I use my tools to wash the wheels with. I don't even use a wheel cleaner, but because this came in my little box, I thought I'd give it a try on the tires and the wheels. So I skipped the Wesley's this time, went to the Diablo wheel cleaner, and okay, it works fine on the wheels. I have no problem with it. I don't think it gets the tires that clean, and I hate the way it goes on. So it comes out, it's like a gel, and I even tried switching sprayers. I put a different sprayer head on there, and it just comes out in a stream, and it is very wasteful. You can see right here, that's only 3 washes, and it's more than halfway gone. So I would definitely not purchase this as a separate standalone product. I'm going to use it till it runs out, and then I'll just go back to my soapy car wash. On the exterior of the vehicles today, and most of the time, I use my Jack's Wax ceramic shampoo. This stuff is so good. It leaves behind a layer of protection. Hydrophobicity is the current buzzword. It's very easy and smooth with the wash mitt. Nothing hangs up, and it just feels great going on. It really helps with that water beading, water sheeting technology. And I usually foam cannon with a high quality pH neutral soap. Again, it's Chemical Guys because that's what I found at Walmart. Probably once all of these little things run out, I'm going to try some of the good old Meguiar's Gold Class for the foam cannon. We'll see how I like that. But I currently have several different bottles of Chemical Guys, and I also have some Adams just car shampoo, and that's what I use in the foam cannon. On finishing, I'm going to use this on the trim. It's a water base dry touch spray on. We'll see how we like that. The Jack's Wax Instant Shine on the tires, best stuff in the entire universe. And then the Adams Graphene Detail Spray as a drying aid. So hope you guys enjoy the video. So it's actually turning into a beautiful day today. I'm going to go ahead and do a maintenance wash on both vehicles, starting with Ironhide, the 2020 Chevy Blazer. He got driven yesterday on all the salty, yucky roads. Got a lot of stuff here on the side. Very dirty. Plastic's extremely dirty. I might actually dress the plastic today since I think it's actually supposed to go a few days and not rain. The back side, holy cat. That is definitely the worst. It looks terrible. But we get all that washed, cleaned off. Get these black wheels all nice and shiny again. You can see just how bad the winter stuff gets on there. Not going to spend a lot of time on the carpeted wheel wells because carpeted wheel wells, and it is still winter time. I'm going to go ahead and maintenance wash this guy too. See how dirty he is. These water spots. This is Prime, the 2007 Avalanche. Top of the paint looks pretty good. Bottom looks bad. I might actually run the clay bar over the the wheel, the rocker panels down here on the bottom. Looks pretty bad. Once the weather turns a little bit better, I'm gonna put some coating. I actually got some trim restore, some Jax Wax trim restore that I'm gonna put on. I'm kind of excited to see how that looks. But he's pretty dirty, but at least he doesn't have all the salt residue on him with that hood. Oof. So, excited to work on a couple of new brushes here. I've got my Boar's Hair detail brush. I actually bought one of these long-handled wheel brushes. Got my soft brush for the faces, and I got a whole pack of the wheel woolies. So this is the one that I had, which is cool for trying to get behind stuff, but it's just kind of a pain for washing straight on. So got the big fuzzy one and plus 2 smaller, thinner ones. So I'm excited to see how those do. So guys, I find this product to be really wasteful. I've only used it twice, and that's how far the bottle's down, because no matter what, it's like a gel. It doesn't atomize. It doesn't matter what sprayer you use. So I think once I use this up, I'm not going to use it anymore, because it just seems very wasteful and very expensive to do it this way. love the wheel woolies. I use the big one for the barrel of the wheel, and then I use the medium one for what I just did. And then this soft brush here is just one that I picked up in the automotive section of Walmart. I like it. I wouldn't use it on paint or anything, but it's very soft. Wheels are pretty dirty. Well, like I said, we drove through salt yesterday. Hopefully, as soon as the weather warms up, we'll paint these suckers red. Woohoo! Alright guys, almost done. I've gotten all the sides washed. Now since this side is fully in the sun, I didn't want soap to dry on it, and I don't want to rush through it to hurry up and get done and miss spots. So what I did is I actually washed the top part with the windows, and then I rinsed, and then I washed the body, and then I rinsed, and then I did the plastic. So next time to dry it, I did get me a cordless dryer, and I actually have to tie a thing around this because it doesn't lock at all. So my arms get tired, I just tie a bow around it. I'm just gonna go around the whole car and blow all the water off. No more anything on that butt except for shine. The windows, tires, wheels. I like that, the Chemical Guys vinyl stuff I put on there that I showed you. Turned out good, looks really nice. Be interested to see how well it holds up. I could definitely feel how the areas right behind the tires here, and the area right behind the tire, or right in front of the tire here, was very dry. It really needed it. So, but it took me so long because I also did this one. Not ceramic coated. Put a layer of that on it. Super easy, spray on, spray off. It's pretty good. And the big boy. Looking good. Thanks for watching.